How you doing, folks? Well, I'm currently sitting in the front room of my house here because I have a good view of the driveway. The reason I'm doing this is simply because of the fact that my Beetle is about to arrive onto the driveway. It is finally coming home, folks. Thank God. I have been waiting 1.5 years for this moment, I have to say, and I am as excited as a child in a toy shop. I really am. So, yeah, the next scene you're going to see is the car arriving, and exciting times ahead. Aha, yes. It's home, folks. Well, folks, it is finally in the right place. And that is in my care. Obviously it's dark out, but I've had the opportunity to take a proper look at it. So it's dusty, and it is in definite need of the Endfloat treatment because, yeah. Oh, for sake. That just happened. The driver's window broke. Literally just happened. When the car arrived, it was down, and the window glass had slipped out of its channel, and in my efforts to try and roll it up, the window broke. I didn't even actually drop it as such. I think it just, some tension got on it, and unfortunately you can't put any tension on glass like that, so new driver's window needed. Bollocks anyway. That said, am I relieved it's home? Hell yes, absolutely. Ringo has finally made his long-awaited return and is back on my driveway. I actually am a little bit emotional, to be honest with you. This car means a hell of a lot to me. So, we've been through a lot together, me and Ringo. So, yeah. Exciting times ahead. Get this back on the road. Cool. Thanks for watching, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll keep you updated with my progress. There's lots to do in this car, and I hope you join me along the way.